Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're all good. You're welcome to Omo Healthy Living. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you for stopping by. Here is where we bring awareness to a healthy way of living. We all know that in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle, we need to take care of our bodies. This includes having a healthy diet, complemented by an active lifestyle, as well as going for regular health checkups and taking care of any problems that arise before they become a problem. Another thing we should know is the importance of breakfast. It is often argued that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It is the very first meal we eat after sleeping, and also the meal that is going to get you through the rest of the day. However, it can also be a source of needless calories when the wrong foods are consumed. That is why today I will show you a healthy green smoothie that will help give you energy throughout the day and benefit your overall health in many ways. Without further ado, let's get into the numerous benefits of this smoothie while I show you how to make it. Let's start off with the ingredients I will be using. For this smoothie, I use parsley, kale, spinach, avocado, blueberries, lemon, turmeric, ginger, cayenne pepper, and finally apple cider vinegar. To make it less complicated, you can start by using spinach, avocado, blueberries, and optionally you can add banana. Then you can work your way up from there. I've already washed the ingredients now, so I'm going to start slicing them before blending. This smoothie is a great way to consume a lot of vegetables that you might not intake otherwise. There are a lot of green vegetables that some people find hard to implement in their diets. And this smoothie is a great way to add those greens to your diet. These vegetables are very beneficial to your overall health. And this combination of them makes this smoothie a nutritional powerhouse. Staying hydrated helps your body to flush out toxins and maintain clear skin. In addition to this, the hydration this drink provides promotes weight loss, as this smoothie can often make you feel full while consuming less unhealthy food for breakfast. Nutrients found in the various vegetables can keep chronic conditions at bay. For example, the potassium found in this drink will regulate the amount of sodium retained by the kidneys, which lowers the risk of high blood pressure. And the antioxidants in this drink prevent free radical damage, which has been linked to cancer and heart disease. A nutrient that really stands out in this drink is chlorophyll, which rejuvenates the body not only by being an antioxidant but also by preventing anemia and assisting with dental problems. A benefit of drinking this as a smoothie in comparison to a juice is that this smoothie retains the fiber present in the greens. Green smoothies are packed full with fiber, which lowers cholesterol and glucose levels. This fiber helps your digestive system, and it may even provide relief to symptoms of indigestion. This fits well with all its other cleansing properties. In conclusion, it is a no fact that our overall health relies a lot on how intensively we take care of our body. However, a lot of people have said they see eating a lot of greens as a challenge. This is why I decided today I will introduce you to this green smoothie. This smoothie is packed full of nutrients and greens. It will also supply you with enough nutrients to start your day with. I hope you implement this green smoothie in your diet. This is where we end this video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and make sure you press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. May God bless you and keep you healthy in Jesus' name. Bye.